to the channel Yummy. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a very simple way of grilling your tilapia at home. I call this the African way, or the typical Ghanaian version of grilling tilapia. You do not have to add any spices whatsoever, especially to those of us who are allergic to spices. If today is the first time here, kindly hit the subscribe button, and if you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and also share it out to your family and friends. Now let's get into it. So the first thing you have to do is to wash your tilapia very well. That is very important. Cut all the fins and all unwanted parts away from the tilapia, and then pour some water on it, add salt to it, and let it soak in the salt solution for about 30 to 1 hour. Now the next thing to do is to wash and clean your vegetables. With me here I have some onions, tomatoes, peppers, ginger, and some garlics. Once I'm done with the cutting of the vegetables, I'm going to put them in my earthenware. That's my ayua. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it. Remember, the tilapias are in water and salt solution, so you need to be extra careful when you're adding salt to it. And also there is another step that you need to add salt to it, so be careful of it. Now I'm going to add the liquid Maggi. Okay, it's not so healthy, but at least it is medium healthy. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of it to it. You don't have to add to it if you don't want or you don't have, but trust me, it gives your tilapia some flavor, and the flavor that it gives is some smoky flavor. Okay, so when you're done with that, you start grinding. So you can use blender to blend it, which is the quick and the fastest way, but trust me, using earthenware, you know, earthenware is natural. You know, oh, they are my patron. Put that aside. To make some cuts, and then, but before that, you clean it, the excess water. After making the cut on the tilapia, it's time to rub in a little bit of salt or seasoning powder. Now this will enhance the flavor of the tilapia and also gives it a very nice taste. So now this next step involves some gloves, but I can't find my gloves, so I'm going to use this rubber. And of course, most of us, we don't have gloves at home. So time to rub the pepper sauce or meko on the tilapia. Rub it on the tilapia very well, making sure that every hole, every corner is well coated with the pepper sauce. So now time to marinate the fishes, which is very important. Cover it with an aluminum foil and then keep it in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. So this is where we draw the curtains. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. So then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Chew.